You know, for us, I remember Papa and Mama starting their land business. And in the beginning, we were wearing all hats. We didn't have any money to go and hire, kind of like you. You don't have the money right now to go hire people. And we were wearing all hats
Being
at
all
some
the different
point,
people.
and at some point, yes, we were doing deals and we were doing good money, but we knew that if we wanted to 10x that growth, if instead of doing, 60 deals or 100 deals, in order to make 1,000 deals, that something needed to change because we couldn't work any longer hours than we were already working.
Yeah, there's only so many hours.
There's only so many hours in a day that we needed to basically bring team. And when we decided to bring team, we looked at each other and we decided, okay, what is the 20%?
I don't want to do that. Yeah.
That I am amazing at, and what's the 80% that we're gonna let go? And so that gave us incredible amounts of capacity, not just to make more money, because making money is not the most important thing.